Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we are going to talk about cold smoked salmon. What is cold smoked salmon? Cold smoked salmon is one of the preserved fish products which is economically important worldwide. The production normally made from salmon fillets with low level of salt. During the storage, at chill temperature, lactic acid bacteria was developed along with lower number of other groups such as Procotric thermofracta, Enterobacteriaceae, other negative bacteria and also yeast. For measuring cold smoked salmon quality, several potential chemical quality indicators that can be concerned: the development of total volatile bases and the increase in volatile acids, the degradation of nucleotides expressed as an increase in hypoxanthine, and the production of ethanol. Hence, the experiment we choose based on the general effect of salt and storage temperature on chemical, microbiological and sensory changes in cold smoked salmon.
The result of this article show increasing the temperature from 5 to 10 degrees Celsius decrease the shelf life of 1 to 2 weeks for high salt sample and 2 to 3 weeks for low salt sample, while decrease the temperature from 10 to 5 degrees Celsius will increase the shelf life of 2 to 3 weeks for high salt and 1 to 2 weeks for low salt sample. The shelf life of vacuum-packed cold smoked salmon vary according to salt concentration and storage temperature. The textural changes may caused by activity of muscle protease. The differences in shelf life were not reflected by any microbiological analysis. Thus, microbiological count of microorganisms not identified as specific spoilage organism. The spoilage may due to autolytic changes. Lactic acid bacteria may be the only potential spoilage organism on the product because it dominated the microflora throughout the storage period.
The article's main idea is about the effect of salt concentration and storage temperature on the bioproduct. So I would like to explain how the salt and storage temperature will affect the bioproduct's quality. First, salt. Salt is usually used to preserve the bioproducts such as fruit. Assume this is a food, and if we add the salt molecules to the food, the salt molecules will enter the food and it will draw out the water molecules from the food. So this case will lower the water activity of the food. Fresh food's water activity is 0.99 and salt will lower the water activity to 0.91, which will inhibit the microbial activity. Next, I would like to explain about the effect of the storage temperature on the bioproduct. The cooling process or refrigeration of 4 Celsius will slow down the microbial growth and prevent from the spoilage. Freezing process actually slows down the decomposition of the food. This is because the residual moisture will turn to ice. So this situation will slow down the microbial growth.
Highland smoked salmon is one of the finest smoked salmon producers since 1983 from Scotland. So this company has made a major investment in smoke, kilning, filleting, slicing and packaging technologies to deliver naturally designed products. So this salmon is used to maintain its unique texture, and before it delivers to the site, the vehicle must maintain its temperature. So during the process of smoking, only the best salmons are chosen. So these salmons are gutted and kept on ice until they are out of rigor and ready to be filleting. So in the end, the smoked fillets will be sliced, vacuum packed and will be shipped under refrigerated conditions.
Next is the expand to new research part. From this article, I think the new research can focus on the effect of packaging on shelf life of cold smoked salmon. Normally, the cold smoked salmon is using the modified atmosphere packaging method, which is MAP, to pack the food, as it can extend the shelf life of food with minimal quality defect. The new research can test on the consequences of modified atmosphere packaging towards microbial changes. Oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide are the common gases used in MAP. Normally, Oxygen and carbon dioxide inclusive, as only these two gases have the preservative effect on the pet food products. Thus, the level of oxygen and carbon dioxide of MAP are tested for the effectiveness of microbiome changes of cold-smoked salmon. From International Food Research Journal, MAP with highest percentage of carbon dioxide is proven to be more effective than vacuum packaging in inhibiting the growth of spoilage bacteria in many fishery products. Nowadays, the Western country has the proficient skill on preservation of cold-smoked salmon. There are many branded products in the market, but how about Malaysia?
Demand of salmon in Malaysia increasing from year, but how about cold-smoked salmon? Due to the tropical temperature in Malaysia, industries in Malaysia prefer to using the cold smoking method to preserve the salmon fish. However, this technique has shortened the life of this product. It is because of the climate, it is because of the temperature or the presence of the bacteria. Thus, the new research and development should be carried out in Malaysia to increase the storage period and at the same time to provide the good quality of this product towards the customers. Also, Malaysian researchers may use this article to further the research.
The right procedure should be taken to carry out this method, as this can affect the texture, the sensory, and to have a longer shelf life. Thus, MAP method can be used to extend the shelf life of the product, which will minimize the quality defect. Lastly, the researcher in Malaysia should be deepen the research to discover the new quality analysis of the cold smoked salmon product.